Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix battery drain issue on iPhone. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, scroll down and tap on general, tap on software update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, go back, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction and turn off this. After this, go back and tap on general. After this, scroll down. Here, tap on background app refresh. After this, turn off this, go back and restart your mobile phone. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again, scroll down again, tap on privacy and security. After this, tap on location services and turn off location services. After this, go back and tap on battery. After this, turn on low power mode. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, use your mobile in dark mode. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.